people, so it's half an hour to go. We are very near to the transit. Sky, touch wood, looks okay. Moon is becoming contrasty, so everything basically looks perfect for a good transit imaging. So we're gonna use a 10-inch Dobsonian scope and another 72-420 refractor telescope. It's a much smaller size, but at least we're gonna see it in a nicer, from a nicer perspective. We can nearly squash the whole moon inside in the picture. And with this one, we're trying to do a close-up similar to what I had previously recorded 2 months ago. Funnily, we have almost the same phase of the moon like 2 months ago. So, and it's it's gonna go basically very near to the same area where it was with the previous one. So on purpose we found a location where you will see the moon skimming just the southern basically limb of the moon. So yes, countdown is on. Okay, transit happened. We captured it with 2 telescopes, one with a wider angle and one with a close-up. So I think everything went well. So we're just gonna process the videos and you're gonna see the result.